Oh, viewers, today is birthday of Mahaprabhu Sri Sri Madhav Deva. Laksinath Pesparua has termed the union between Sankatavo and Madhav Deva as Manikansan Sanjo. But we can say it as union of modernity for Assamese community. As Sankatava said Madhav Deva as Bohar Po, the most smart personality of that era. That means he has initiated the smartness and modernity and tech savvy. That word, the tech savvy, that means who are efficient in technology. That Madhav Deva was very efficient in technology. Therefore, he may be called Bohar Po. Moreover, he was very romantic personality. He has romantically established Assamese society. That the Barpeta Satra, that origin name was Rangial Griho, but it was later renamed as Barpeta Khan and Barpeta, ultimately Barpeta Satra. He was founder of Nika Sanghati. Moreover, he was father of children literature. He stopped Bolibidhan and reformed the society from the ferocity and savagery of our temples and some other religious shrines. He has reformed these things and established a pure society in the stream of Nika Sanghati. Hello, people of Assam living across the globe in USA, Australia, Canada, Japan, everywhere, in Dubai also. Let's celebrate the Tithi of Madhav Deva as father of modern Assamese literature and father of Assamese modernity. Thank you. Krishna.